Hi, it's Jude again. We're going to make a ham sandwich today. All you need is ham, cheese, mustard, and 2 slices of bread. The first step is to put the sandwich bread in the toaster. Once the bread is in the toaster, cut your cheese up. Now that we've got the bread out of the toaster, then we can carefully place the cheese on our bread. Now we've got the cheese on, we can place the ham on top of the cheese. Always remember to shake the mustard. Now we've shaken the mustard, we can put it on top of the ham. Lastly, place the bread on top of the ham, mustard, cheese, bread. Don't forget to tidy away.
Is it tasty?
Mm-hmm.